so excited. Let's do this.
Yeah.
So we got this like jiggly slime-ish.
Yeah, jiggly slime.
It's like watch.
Yeah.
And it gets all over your hand. On camera it looks super duper hot pink. But really it's just light pink.
No, it's really hot pink.
No, look on camera.
Oh, yeah, it's hot. But it's not that really hot.
Yeah, so guys, we're gonna go ahead and clean up our
First, yeah, why she's
Wait, hold
doing
on. No, clean up your mess.
Stop it, Lee. It's my YouTube. And you know it's my YouTube too. No, it's not. It's my YouTube too. To kind of like smooth it on the ground to trying to get it all.
But I don't really think it's going to be that big of a door because we're also going to be playing with galaxy slime and all that. The reason why I don't like these sets because last time Cam had this too and it did not work out.
Yeah.
And it was horrible.
You may do pink. I'll do pink. No.
I get to pick. Fine. But do not get it in there. I mean it though.
Okay. I made it. I promise I will.
So guys, you're like this is jelly slime. It's not.
It's not like gooey as mine. See, let me get mine out. See this?
Mine out. I bought that.
Yeah, it's hers, but we can share it. We're sisters.
Yeah, true. Even though she says we're cousins, but we're not. She's the one who made it up.
No, you did. You did.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. Yeah, we're real sisters.
Yeah.
No, you're not, guys.
Yeah, we are, Bentley.
No, you tickle me. You tickle me.
So, guys, I'm going to show you how it's just like a really neat slime, you see?
Like the slime. Stop it. We're not in that slime.
It's alright if it gets like small chunks. Just don't let it in the blue because it's alright if it gets in the pink. Because of course it's pink.
Why do you say
Just don't get a lot of it in there. So guys, it's just a really...
Oh, you got pink and blue. It sticks on your feet? Oh!
So you can just take off your socks if you want.
Yeah. Move that way.
I can... Seriously, Bentley?
Yeah.
So I can just like do this to it. Ah, look at my sandal.
Oh, look at my pink sandal. I'm just be walking around in it. Watch me. Watch me walking around in it. I'm gonna walk around.
No, don't, Cam. No, I'm serious, Cam. Don't do that. It will stick to the floor.
Really?
Yeah.
Look, I can make a bracelet. What you can.
Okay, so I can just do this. Ow! That hurt.
Really? It does hurt?
Yeah, you're hitting your... So guys, it's really stretchy.
Sometimes it hurts.
Oh,
God! Why are you guys